Dear viewers, welcome to our TrendzBasket fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of best air fryer design ideas. Get ready to challenge everything you know about frying foods. Air fryers can fry your favorite foods to crispy, golden brown perfection using little or no oil. Not only can you make traditionally fried foods like potato chips and French fries, but it's also great for vegetables, proteins like chicken wings and drummettes, and appetizers like coquettes and feta triangles. Even desserts like brownies and blondies are perfectly baked in an air fryer. Crispy, fried snacks with a hot cup of tea are the best snack after a tiring day. However, a lot of people avoid this savory snack to keep a check on their weight. Deep frying snacks in a wok filled with oil harm you in more ways than you know. So, should you completely give up snacking on fried foods? Not necessarily. Using the right cooking appliance can help you enjoy crispy fried snacks without affecting your health. If you or your family members love eating fried snacks, you need an air fryer. The smart appliance helps you make fried snacks without adding extra oil. You will love how you can harness the power of the air fryer for easy and fun cooking. Air frying ovens are great for making everything from classic snacks like French fries and chicken wings, to entrees using your favorite meats, fish, or veggies, and little to no oil. Different types of best air fryer designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.